Alright guys, hey, welcome to CAD 222. I want to go over a few things with you really quick. Um, you're going to be using the Engineering Drawing to Design book. Most of you guys probably have this book, okay? Um, guys that have been in the program a while should have it. Uh, we're going to cover in this class. We're going to cover chapter 16. Gears, cams, and bearings. We're going to cover belt drives, chapter 22. And we're also going to cover the chapter 25. I want you guys to learn a little bit about the engineering design process. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is when you go into Blackboard is I want you to download your information sheet for you guys that don't have an information sheet on file. I just need you to go into the module here. I'm going to use the old module real quick. Find it here. Here it is. This is how everything's set up. This is your dashboard over here on the left. Go into Startup, open first. This is your information sheet. If you guys will click on that, fill it out, and then go to Content Supplement, and this is where you're going to attach all of your assignments. You'll click on here. Once you get it done, go into Assignments and go into Student Information Sheet and then attach it there for me. Most of you guys should have a template or a drawing with a title block. I want you to attach that here. These are your first two assignments. I need something in by the first of the week, or I'm going to have to administratively drop you. After you do that, after you get that done, then we can go ahead and start into the actual assignment, which is going to start with gears, cams, and linkages and bearings. So you click on here. Go into instructions to read the instructions for that chapter. Just click on there for your instructions and they'll come up. And teaching aids. There's a lot of videos that I like to put out here. Here's your cam motion 101. There's the harmonic motion, the cam and the follower. And then this is a real world application of the cam system. For any of you guys that work on motors, you should know about the cam system. And here is a video on gear train calculations. Some image files. Also have a review questions right here and supplemental problems and chapter 16 PowerPoint. All these are found in your teaching aids. Alright, after you go through all of that, you must read the chapters. You're not going to be able to do these assignments without actually reading a chapter. So when you get the chapter read and you're ready to start your assignments, click here for assignments, and this is what we're covering in chapter 16. You can see we're covering the review questions, chapter 16.1. I've got a couple of handouts here. I think there's 3 handouts, 16.1, 16.2, and 16.3. You're going to do some pinions and some gears and some cam displacement drawings, or diagrams. Alright, and we'll work through this together, and if you have any problems, of course, just let me know. First off, again, go to Startup. Let's go ahead and get our information sheet in here if you don't have one, and let's go ahead and open up the syllabus, read through it, and obviously send me questions. I also have a discussion board, which is worth 5% of your grade. You'll find that each I try to post one every week. There's 4 in here now. I'm going to change these up. But if you got any questions about the discussion board, just send me an email. Just a way for me to communicate with you, for you that don't come to the lab. Of course, you're always welcome to come to the lab. We're in room 203 right across from Culinary Arts at ECTC. Okay, my name is Mr. Johnson. Welcome to the class, and let's have a good class. Thanks.